Hi Dreamcatcher! So, bagong video na naman ito, ang aking collective haul video. Na-inspire ako gumawa ng collective haul video from Ate Aiza and from the Team Collab. So, naisip ko na gagawa din ako ng aking collective haul. So, disclaimer is, hindi ako nag-brag or nag-show off. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga magagandang products available locally and online. So, yan, medyo madami to kasi syempre collective, hindi naman to yung isang araw ko lang binili. So, first products ay bigay ng isang online friend and ayaw niya kasing magpakilala because syempre siguro ayaw niya na sabihan siya ng ganito, ganyan or something. Alam mo na, ibang tao, mabait na nga, may sasabihin pa rin. And, yon, hindi lang ako yung binigyan niya, yung mga other YouTube friends ko din. Meron actually yung shampoo, nagamit ko na siya, yung, ano ba yan? Pantene. Tapos ito, Jergens. Ultra Healing Nourishes and Heals. Ano ba to? Ano ba yun? Hand moisturizer. Yan. Maybelline Color Show Nail Lacquer in Vernis. So, sorry dun sa may pumupukpok sa labas. And next is CoverGirl Eyeshadow in, what is this shade? Hindi ko alam yung shade niya. Gandang pang highlighter. Yan. Tinanggal ko na yung brush kasi hindi ko naman ginagamit yung gano'n. And next is yung Revlon Single Eyeshadow Purple and Matte. Ito yung, alam ko yung nakakabit-kabit. Hindi ko pa nagagamit yan. So, yon. Next naman ay from Dr. Mel Natural Organics. Ito yung concealers. I-upload ko na very soon yung yung review and demo. Yan siya, para siyang Christmas balls kasi yan, sunlight, moonlight, starlight, and natural. Then yung egg soap for brightening, moisturizing, antioxidant. Then, yung egg soaps, nagamit ko na yung orange, brightening, moisturizing, antioxidant. So, yon. Gawan ko na lang yung review. Hindi ko pa naman nagamit lahat. Next, from Natural Skin _etc are this Human Nature soaps. And actually, meron pa yung isa yung lemon. Lemon scent. Nagamit ko na rin siya, and yun naman is ang ganda for cleansing, detoxifying. So, I'll just put the link kung may review na before I upload this one. I have Aloe Fresh and also Lavender Mint. And then also another skincare soaps from Glam Skin. I've got 5 soap, full-size soap, and then I have Full Bloom Complexion Bar, and then Collagen Placenta Anti-Aging Bar, Rosy White Whitening Bar, then Poreless Wonder for pore refining, and Fair Enough, another whitening soap. So, these are all natural ingredient soap. The next one is from Blushberry Farm. First is the Goat Milk and Shea Butter Organic Hand and Body Lotion. Yeah, I haven't actually opened this one yet kasi gusto ko pagka naubos ko na. Kaya medyo matagal din ako ng review, lalo na sa skincare. The next one is Goat Milk Oats and Honey Soap. Alam mo, meron akong thing about goat milk, oats, and honey soap. parang super moisturizing kasi siya and also exfoliant. And then, actually, meron pa yung coffee scrub soap and meron akong review about that. I'll just put again on the information box below. And next is BB cream. Meron na din akong review. So, lahat ng links and review sa information box below. And also, this tomato. This is not edible though. It's a lip and cheek tint. Yan. Ang cute ng lalagyanan. Super naalala ko yung mga Tony Moly na packaging. So, ito siya. Non-drying siya and very pigmented. So, nilagyan ko ng onti yung cheeks ko. Pero ang ganda talaga sa lips. Next naman, ito, hinahanap ko pa talaga siya sa iba't ibang HBC store. Pero hindi pa rin actually ito yung hinahanap ko. Meron sila yung sinasabi na parang cotton candy and isa pang parang shimmer. Ang nakuha ko is vanilla bean tsaka pink opal. Usapan ngayon doon sa group. Actually, yun yung pinag-uusapan before doon sa group is yung mga affordable highlighter. Yan. So, yun yung project ko last time is maghanap ng magandang highlighter. Vanilla bean. Very pigmented. Pink opal. Ayan o. Bongga, diba? And then, kakahanap ko ng magandang highlighter is actually nakapunta ko ng Shawil and then nakita ko tong terracotta blusher. I actually have number 3 and then this one is number 4. Yung 3 nandun na siya sa aking August favorite, so doon yun na lang makita yung swatch. Ito yung 4. Ang maganda kasi sa kanya is ang laki niya. So yan yung 4. May brown shade, may pink, and then yung medyo white. And then next is Shawil Makeup Thin and Perfect Cover. Pesos lang oh. And ang ganda niyang pang cover ng this one is number 2. Ang ganda niyang pang cover. Ayan siya. Ayan na lang actually. Kasi ilang beses ko na nagamit. So pwede siya, medium to full coverage. So, pwede siyang foundation. Pero ginagamit ko lang siya as concealer. Another product from Shawil is Natural Powder Finish. Ayan, in number 2. Yun lang ko sa Shawil is by number lang sila. So, iisip ko parang mga made in China. Yung mga nakita ko sa Divisoria na by number, ganun, ang mga makeup. Yan yung kanyang packaging. Very cute. Very pink. So, girly. Ang ganda kasi kaya natuwa ako. And maganda din. May mirror. And wala namang amoy. Ayan siya ang kulay. And ang ganda-ganda niya. Pwede siya. Dito yung kahit actually, yun na lang. Huwag ka na mag-foundation. Maganda yung coverage niya. Pili ko tong Marionnaud N9 Eyes. You have a angled brush and then the other side spoolie. Ang ganda niya pang eyebrows talaga.